What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with MoneyBass.com. All right, guys, we are going to get straight into it today. The purpose of this video is to let you guys know that right now, Tacklewarehouse is having their 4th of July sale. Everything, just about everything, is on sale for about 15% off. So what I'm doing for you guys today is just showing you different products that I think are some of the top picks that you should definitely go into the description. Click on the links that I have put in there for you guys so you can take advantage of these discounts. I'm going to show you things like the reels that I use, these Fluger reels, Spybaits, guys, Spybaits. Actually, let's do this. I will go ahead and head out to the garage and let's just do a quick tour of some of the items that I have in and on my boat that I think will definitely help you guys out. So make sure you hit the like button on your way in and subscribe to the channel, guys. I try to bring value to you guys constantly in all of the videos that I upload, whether it is my tournament videos, whether I'm doing tutorials, showing you guys electronics videos, as you guys know that we get into a lot. But hey, let's go ahead and head out to the garage so we can take a look at some of these items that I think you guys should definitely take a look at. All right, so we are out here in the garage. I will just go through a quick tour of my boat and show you guys some products that I think you should definitely consider picking up during this sale so you can get them at a discounted price. And another thing that I would suggest is now is the time to get some of those higher priced items that you have been eyeballing, that you've been thinking about picking up, because of course now you can get those at a larger discount. So just starting off, taking a look in this compartment here. One of the things that I have shown you guys a lot, especially during the summertime, is you want to definitely keep some G juice. So that G juice is something that will definitely, it's a live well additive that will help keep your fish alive, keep them well, keep them healthy, and get them to the scale alive so you do not lose points and you do not lose money at the scale. All right, guys, G juice. The next thing that I would suggest is your life jacket. If you guys do not have some type of life jacket that is easy to put on and comfortable, that will allow you to keep it on all day, make sure you guys pick up a life jacket. Or if you need a spare, now is a great time to get that. And also, these use those CO2 cartridges. Let me just open this up real quick for you. So those CO2 cartridges, it's not in there, but like I said, I want to make this kind of quick for you guys. So those CO2 cartridges, now is a good time to pick up some extra cartridges. And all right, let's go ahead and skip that compartment and head on up here, because I know some of you guys want to get to the lures, so we will definitely get to that. All right, another thing, guys, the reels that I use, these Fluger reels are something that I have used a lot. This is the SP30, and they come in 2 different colors. I don't know if both of those will be available right now, but if you have been thinking about that, now is a great time to pick up some additional reels. And also small things like your pliers and stuff like that. But let's get to the main thing that I wanted to show you guys out here. As far as the baits go, there we go, guys. You guys know that I like throwing those spy baits. It is a great time to get those right now at 15% off. You can't really beat that. So I would say pick up some of those. Let's pop this up here. All right, now look at this little storage in the storage compartment. This right here is a TH Marine. It's a Titan lure kit or something like that, but it is magnetic and allows you to store lures so that you can quickly access those during the tournament situation. Something that things that you use a lot so that you don't have to dig through your tackle box to get to. So you can put hooks, you can put baits, pretty much anything that is magnetic, you can stick it up there. And this is pretty sturdy, so even when I'm hitting that rough water, it holds those in place. So that is something that you definitely want to think about. The other thing, guys, your tackle boxes. All right, so what I have been doing is slowly phasing out any of the tackle boxes that I have that are not waterproof. As you know, if you have spent any amount of time on a boat or owning a boat, water will find its way into those tackle boxes, and once they do and those hooks start rusting up, I mean, look at these, guys. Those are a lot of original Sebile swim baits. I don't know if you guys know the price of those right now, but you definitely want to protect those. And the other thing that I have started doing is putting little packets in there that will kind of absorb moisture. But that's something that you want to keep in mind, guys. You want to pick up some of these waterproof Plano boxes, anything that has that nice seal around it to protect your tackle. All right, let's pop this down here, and there you go, guys. Bass Mafia line bag. Now this bag right here has been a great addition to my arsenal. It allows you to store a lot of line in here, and you can store spools of different sizes. So for instance, this right here is obviously wider than your average spool of line, and this is a 600-yard spool. And speaking of line, not only go ahead and pick up this line bag, another thing that you want to go ahead and pick up is your line. You want to start re-upping on your line also. You want to keep that fresh so it doesn't get old and, you know, your line starts breaking on you. Another thing, JJ's Magic. That chartreuse, clear, red, those different colors, but mainly that chartreuse and clear is something that you definitely want to keep in your arsenal, guys. All right, so that is a quick look inside of here. And keep in mind, if you take a look at some of the other videos that I have on my channel, always look in the description because I put links to those items also. So if you click on any of those links right now, it should take you directly to that item at that discounted price. So that is definitely something that you want to take a look at. All right, guys, another thing is this troll tamer. Now, for you guys that are running your electronics, running that Mega Live system and has been following me on that, you know the issues that I originally had with my line getting tangled up, getting spliced, and causing issues for me. One of the things that I picked up was this troll jacket. This is the TH Marine troll jacket, and it organized all of those wires to where it keeps my boat nice, clean, and clear. So just kind of look at how that space looks right there, guys. Without that TH Marine troll jacket on there, those wires were kind of all over the place, and things like my troll tamer, which is this right here, that keeps my trolling motor in place whenever I'm running over rough water. Sometimes those wires would get in the way of that, and it was just real disorganized. So that was definitely a good addition to the boat. And let me just take another quick look around, guys. I'm just kind of doing this impromptu. There you go. You can see what I currently have out there tied on whenever I'm out there going hitting the lake. But I would say for now, guys, those are some things that I would get started on. All right, guys, so that was a very, very quick tour of the boat and some of the items that I would say are some of the top picks that you should go ahead and think about or consider getting during this sale, guys. And like I said, another thing to think about is that now is a good time to get those items that may have had a higher price point that you were kind of holding off on getting before. Now is a good time to go ahead and pick those up whenever you can get a great discount like is available right now. So boating accessories, any of those high priced lures that you may have been considering before, just think about it, guys. It's time to save a little bit of money, which we all can definitely use, because fishing can get kind of expensive, guys. All right, so I hope this information has helped you out. I really appreciate the support of the channel. Make sure you click the links in the description, guys. And also, any items that you're thinking about buying or that you're buying, let's talk about it. Put that information down in the comment section. Let's share it. Let's get out there, guys. Let's kind of communicate with each other and just let each other know, what are you going to buy from this Tackle Warehouse sale? All right, guys, appreciate it. And I will see you on the next video.